Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best and quickest way to generate free, semi-realistic characters for your animations or games. Now, before we get started, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button right now because subscribing really helps out the channel and it also motivates me to post more content to help y'all out like this. So yeah, please hit that subscribe button, and at the end of the video, if you enjoyed it, hit that like button as well. But anyways, let's get to it. Okay, so if you guys haven't heard of this tool, it's called Avaturn. I've been using it a lot lately for a bunch of my animations to quickly generate characters for my renders. So you can make a free account and then click Create Avatar. And here are a bunch of characters I've already created, but you're not going to have any characters if you haven't used this tool yet. So you want to click Create New Avatar. Now, I would recommend doing this from your phone because using your phone to take pictures, because it gives you two options. You can either use your camera or upload from device. I recommend using your phone camera and doing this from your phone. It'll make you take 3 pictures of yourself or anyone else close to you that you want to create an avatar of. But I found that using my phone camera to take 3 pictures gave me the best results. But for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just gonna choose this second option here since I don't have my phone camera, but I would use my phone. Highly recommend using your phone. But yeah, it'll tell you to do the same thing. So it's gonna ask you, if you're on your phone, it's gonna ask you to take 3 photos. 1 front shot, 1 side profile shot, and 1 other side profile shot. So I'll choose some pictures that I already have of some models. So front shot like this, but you're gonna be doing this with your phone. So front shot like that, and then right, and then left. And then you can just choose male or female. This is a female, so I'll choose female. And you can choose the version type. Version 2 allows you to do facial animations. So that's a very cool option. You can do the facial animations with your phone. So if you're on your phone, you can record yourself, and it'll track your facial movements and apply it to your character. If you don't want to do facial animations, you can just choose version 1. Version 1 is more realistic because it has a static face. So yeah. And then we'll just hit submit. But I'm not going to be using this because the results for this aren't really that good. The phone results are better. So once you have your character generated, it's going to look like this. So this is a character I generated of myself. I took 3 photos on my phone, like I showed you before. And like I said, this looks really good. The only thing that I don't like about Avaturn is their hair. Their hair isn't really that good. It's decent, but yeah, it does need improvements. But it does give you a bunch of different options to choose from in terms of hairstyles, but I do think they need to add a lot more hairstyles because they're lacking right now. But for now, we can just go with hat, and you can choose different clothing options. They have a bunch of different clothing options as well, which is very nice. You can, choose suits, casual clothing, some dress shirts, I don't know, what is this? A priest outfit or priest garment? I don't know what they call that. Yeah. I'm gonna go with this outfit right here. Oops. Let's go with this outfit. No, not that outfit. What was the outfit I had on? I had on this one, I think. Yeah, this one's decent. I like this. You can also change. You can also add accessories. Like, I didn't know this. They added the Apple Vision Pros is what I think they call them. Or you can add some glasses. I'm gonna add. Let's do no glasses. And we can also change the shoes. I kind of like the shoes already, but you have different options you can choose from, of course. But I think the shoes match the outfit, so we'll leave it at that. And they also have their own animations that you can choose from. But if you don't like the animations that they provide, you can also use Mixamo animations. And I'll show you how to use those here in a second. Because on Mixamo, they have a lot more animations you can choose from. Like a lot more. So yeah, and it's very easy. So once you're happy with your character, you can click download, and then you want to download. If you used their animations, you want to use avatar with animation, but I didn't select their animation, so I'm just going to choose avatar T-pose. There it is, downloaded, and then all you have to do is just go to Blender, and let me just start a new file. Let me start a new. Let's delete everything, and we'll go File, Import, and it's a JLB. So JLB, and then Downloads, and there I am. And I gotta say, it looks really good. Now that the character is imported, you want a custom animation. And to get some custom animations, you can go to a website called Mixamo. And it's very easy. All you have to do is upload character, and instead of exporting this character out of Blender as an FBX, we're going to use a skinless mesh, which the Avaturn team has provided. I'll leave a link in the description, but download that mesh and then upload it here. It's called this mesh for Mixamo. I like to call it a skinless mesh, but yeah, mesh for Mixamo is what it's called. Make sure you download that. Like I said, link in the description. And this is what it looks like. So you next, and there it is. And now we're gonna just select an animation, any animation. Let's go with, I don't know, what do they got? Let's see what they have. Let's do Thriller. Let's do a Thriller animation. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Just click download once you select your animation, and we're gonna do without skin, okay? So without skin, FBX, 30 frames per second, keyframe reduction none, and we'll hit download. Okay. Then, once you've downloaded it, go to File, Import, and this time we're gonna choose FBX, and wherever it was downloaded, so right here, Thriller Part 3, there it is, and then you're just gonna select your Avaturn character rig, armature, armature, and we're gonna go to the dope sheet editor, and we'll switch to action editor, and like I said, make sure that your Avaturn armature is selected, and we'll choose the Mixamo, and there it is, Thriller. I'm doing the Thriller dance. I would not be able to pull this off in real life, but virtually I can do this. You can just hide the old mesh, and there it is. Look at that. Perfect. Looks really good too. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed the tutorial, found it helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button as well, because liking the video helps as well. It helps out the algorithm. And yeah, subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll see y'all later. Peace.